Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to hgsmediaplus TV. It's me again, Humphrey, on your screen. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to make money just by sitting down from the comfort of your home. And yes, hope you guys enjoyed the previous video I showed you where you could simply make money by watching videos with your phone. If you haven't checked that video out, hurry up, check the previous video from the last one we did, and it is going to be a sweat time. Now, moving on to the business of the day. Please, if you're just joining us for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button below this video right now. And when you do that, also click on the notification bell so that when we drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. Now, straight up to the business of the day. Looking at this website here, you can see this website, you simply need to do what? Engage in users' social medias to make money right in this website. All you need to do is comment, like, follow, and all that. Now we are going to be clicking on the sign up button right here. You can see if you want to sign up, you put in your name, put in your state where you're from. If you're from Imo State, Abia State, whichever state you want to put, you can put in there. Then your gender, if you're male or female, you also put it there. Then that goes with your password. When you're done with it, you also put it there and you do what? You register. Right? Yes, see, these are all the details that is needed to register on this website. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be logging in because I already have an account. So right here, you can see I'm going to be logging in right now with my username and my password. And I am in now. Right, I am in. And looking right here, you see there's a website. And the website here, we have two tags here. We have engagement tags and we have post tags. Now, these engagement tags here, all you simply need to do is to go into users' social media platform, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and all of that. And all you need to do is to engage in any of these social media platform by simply liking, following, commenting, or watching their videos, and you'll be paid for each of these tags. And as you can see here, each of these tags here costs 4 Naira. I know it's a little bit small, you will say so, but consistency can drive you up to a great amount. And when you get there, you can simply withdraw into your bank account. Trust me, this website has been tested, trusted, it is legit, it works, it pays. Trust me, this is a website that you truly want to engage in. And the second one here, we have what they call post tags. Now, these post tags are tags where you have to advertise on users' WhatsApp status. As you can see here, the WhatsApp status costs 50 kobo, which means you pay 50 kobo for per view. You get. Now, what you need to do is to click engage, post your ad on any user status, and you pay 50 kobo for each view you get on their status. But today I'm going to be talking about engagement tags, not post engagement, because that part is the advert part. So engagement tags is what we're going to be looking to this moment, and which is the part where you have to earn money on your bank account. Right now, looking at these tags here, as you can see, like I said earlier, 4 Naira per tax. We're going to be looking at this tax here. First, we're going to be taking the first tax here, and that's Facebook. We're going to be looking at the first tax. But as you can see, there are so many social media platforms here. You can choose the one that is convenient for you. And there are lots more. They have other pages of other social media platforms you can also engage in. Remember, when you engage in this platform, there have to be evidence to show that you followed the instructions before submitting your tax, right? Now, looking right here, you can see my dashboard earnings, what I've earned so far, 51 Naira. Yes, and I'm having a pending cash of 8 Naira. These are jobs that have been done and are still pending. When it's approved, it will be added to my account balance. And right there is a withdrawal button where you can also withdraw. Now, moving on, let's start with the first tax here, which is Facebook. And this tax here, we are asked to do what? To follow the page, the Facebook page. The very first tax day, we are asked to follow the page, right? So I hope you guys are watching carefully. so you get familiar with the websites. That's the reason I'm scrolling through. So I'm going to be clicking on that first tax there, which is Facebook. I'll be clicking on it. When I click on it, it's going to be taking me to the next page where I'll be shown the instruction on how to go about it. Now look at it here. If you look at the instructions here, I'm told to visit the Facebook profile. That's the first instruction. And the second instruction is to do what? Click the follow button. Now what I'm asked to do here is to simply follow the person's page, then screenshot that part where I followed, that the page where I followed, screenshot it, place it here in this proof of evidence. When you post it here in this proof of evidence and you submit it, that shows that you actually followed the page, right? That's the essence of that evidence. So any task that you're giving and you engage, you must screenshot and upload before you submit a task. And when you submit this task, they will be reviewed, and when it's confirmed that you actually followed this tax instruction, the cash that you made will be transferred into your account balance, right? Just like you saw earlier. It will first be in your pending balance, then when it's confirmed, it will be moved to your account balance. Now I'm visiting the page, and you can see here, this is the Facebook page, and right here, see, we have a like button. We were not told to like, we were told to do what? Follow. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. As you can see, I'm following. I click the follow button, and you can see I have followed, and now it's showing following. This is the same thing you are going to do in any social media platform you are engaging in. Any task you complete, as it is now, you have to do what? Screenshots. You must definitely what? Screenshots. Very, very important that you screenshot, because that is what you're going to be uploading as your proof of evidence, right? So I'm going to be screenshotting right now. Okay. Think this screenshot is not responding right now. So like I said earlier, when you engage in any task, always remember that you have to do what? Screenshots. Right here, I'm going to be using the screenshot from the notification bar. I don't know, the screenshot refused to respond to me right now. So I'm using the screenshot from the notification bar, and I've screenshotted. Now I'm going to go back to the website. Right now, I'm going to go back to the website. And yeah, I'm back in the website. Now, what I'm going to simply do now is to upload that screenshot as an evidence to show that truly I followed the page. And when I've done that, I submit, and voila, your review will be what? Approved, and your earnings will what? Come in. So you can see that's the image that I screenshotted earlier. As you can look closely, if you look at it, you realize that it's the same Facebook page that I visited a few seconds ago with the screenshot there. That's an evidence that I followed the instructions. Now I need to do what? Click submit, and you see under review. Now once it tells you under review, automatically the phone Naira is added to your pending balance. Right? Just like I showed you earlier, it will be added to your pending balance. Now, when the review has been done and successfully passed, that pending balance will now be added into your account balance, right? Yeah, that's where it's going to be added into your account balance. And I'm going to be showing you shortly again. So you see, I showed you before I was having 8 Naira on that account. And right here, you can see I'm having 12 Naira now. 8 plus the 4 Naira I just got now, that's 12 Naira. And you can see it's under pending earnings. Now, when this tax has been reviewed and is successfully approved, that 12 Naira will now be transferred to the account balance, adding to that 51 Naira altogether, right? And there, if you want to also withdraw, it's very easy. All you need to do is click the withdraw button, as you can see right now. And the interesting thing about this site is that when you input your account number and your account number and the money you want to withdraw, it automatically pops up your name as it is your account details. It pops up that name as it is. You see, very easy. And once you do that, you click on it, straight up it takes you to where you need to input your amount and you withdraw into your bank account. But right here, as you can see, it's showing us that we can't really withdraw at this very moment because why we have not approached the minimum withdrawal amount, which is 500 naira. The minimum withdrawal amount here is 500 naira, and right there, if you see the bank name, you are seeing so many bank names. The Nigeria banks, you can choose the bank that is yours, put the correct account number. As you can see, I was just trying to play around there to see if it will work, but looking at it, it's showing me invalid account number. So it means that when you put a wrong account number, it knows. The system knows, it detects it. So you put the correct account number. When you put the correct account number, your name as it is in your bank account will pop up below. As you're seeing now, it's going to pop up, which means the account number you put is correct, and all you need to do is click on the withdrawal button and the money will be simply transferred into your account. Now you can see the name showing below. I'm blanking it for security reasons. You see, I put in the correct bank account number and the name has displayed. But unfortunately, we are being told that the money we are withdrawing is not sufficient, because the minimum withdrawal is 500 naira. Now, if we decide to put 500 naira, you see, realize that we are told insufficient amount because we are not yet up to that 500 naira, right? So that is it for withdrawal. Very easy to withdraw. And here we also have the referral option. Here, every referral you bring, you get 6% of their earnings. Very cool, right? See? So you don't have to just concentrate on just doing the tax. You can even make even more money from referral bonus. You can make more money from your referral bonus. All you need to do is keep referring. The much more persons you refer, the much more money you make, right? So guys, this is the website that I'm giving you guys today to make cool money. And the name of this website is called Farms Up. Okay, if you're wondering the name of this website, it is called what? Farms Up. And the link to this website is in the description below. So after this video, just kindly click on the link, register, and start making that money from the comfort of your home. All right, guys. So this is the one I'm going to be giving you today, and don't worry, more videos like this is going to drop. Don't forget, like I said earlier, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell so that when we drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you find it interesting. And like I said earlier, if you find this video interesting, click on the link in the description below so that you can register and start making money with your phone. Till we meet another time, you guys have a lovely day. Bye bye. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you find this video interesting. And yes, if this is something you would like to engage in, why not? Kindly go to the description below and you will see the link. Click it and you'll be taken directly to the website where you can sign in and start earning money. All right. And so guys, thank you so much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when you do, please do not forget to click on the notification bell so that when we drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, have a good day.